Welcome back, beautiful souls. In a world that often challenges our physical, emotional, and mental well being, it's essential to tap into the power of affirmations. These affirmations are a guide to channeling your inner strength and fostering positive vibrations to help heal your energy. Before we begin, take a deep breath in and hold it. And exhale. Now repeat each affirmation after me. I'm a vessel of positive energy. Healing energy flows through me effortlessly. I release all negative energy from my body and mind. My energy centers are balanced and aligned. I am open to receiving healing energy from the universe. My energy is vibrant and full of life. I let go of all past energy blockages. I radiate love and light to all beings. I am in tune with the natural rhythms of the universe. My energy is a source of strength and resilience. I am surrounded by healing energy at all times. I release all stagnant energy from my life. I am a vessel of healing energy for myself and others. My energy is pure and untainted. I am connected to the healing power of the earth. I release all fear-based energy from my being. My energy is a source of peace and tranquility. I am attuned to the energy of abundance. Healing energy flows through me like a gentle river. I am grounded and rooted in healing energy. My energy is a force for positive change in the world. I am surrounded by a protective shield of healing light. I release all energy cords that no longer serve me. I'm a magnet for positive healing energy. My energy is aligned with my highest purpose. I release all energy attachments from the past. I am a channel for divine healing energy. My energy is a source of inspiration and creativity. I am free from all energetic blockages. I am open to the flow of healing energy in my life. My energy is in perfect harmony with the universe. I release all energy that no longer serves my highest good. I release all negative thought patterns from my energy field. I am a beacon of healing energy for the world. My energy is clear, bright, and pure. I am attuned to the energy of love and compassion. I am connected to the healing power of the cosmos. My energy is a source of joy and happiness. I am filled with gratitude for the healing energy in my life. My energy is a source of strength and vitality. I release all energy attachments to past traumas. I'm aligned with the energy of abundance and prosperity. My energy is a force for healing and transformation. I am surrounded by a cocoon of healing light. I release all energy cords that drain my energy. My energy is a reflection of my inner peace. I am a vessel for universal healing energy. My energy is a source of clarity and insight. I release all energy blockages from my body and mind. I am open to receiving the healing energy of the divine. My energy is in perfect balance and harmony. I release all energy attachments to negative people and situations. I am a vessel of healing energy for myself and others. My energy is a source of love and forgiveness. I am attuned to the energy of growth and transformation. I release all energy that no longer resonates with my true self. My energy is a beacon of hope and healing. I am free from all energetic limitations. I am open to the infinite possibilities of healing energy. My energy is aligned with my soul's purpose. I release all energy cords that hold me back. I'm a channel for divine healing energy. I am surrounded by a field of healing energy. My energy is a source of clarity and wisdom. I release all energy attachments to past regrets. My energy is a reflection of my inner strength. I'm connected to the healing power of the universe. I am filled with gratitude for the healing energy within me. My energy is a force for positive change in the world. I am a beacon of healing energy for all beings. And so it is.